Welcome back to New Car, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles from around the world. Today, we're taking a tour of a true king of the road, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxury home on wheels, built for power, comfort, and freedom. From the outside, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome looks like a beast. Based on the iconic Kenworth T680 chassis, it has a sleek aerodynamic design, a bold chrome grille, and extended bodywork for maximum interior space. Whether you're cruising across country or parked at a mountain view, this vehicle stands out. Powering this luxury ride is a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering up to 510 horsepower. It's strong enough to tow, climb, and cruise with ease, even when fully loaded. Plus, the automated transmission makes driving smooth and easy, even for long distances. This is a motorhome made for both adventure and comfort. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a vehicle. The Kenworth Motorhome offers a full living area with premium leather seats, a large LED TV, surround sound, and soft ambient lighting. The kitchen comes fully loaded, stainless steel appliances, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and solid surface countertops. At the back, there's a spacious master bedroom with a king-sized bed, custom storage, and a smart control system for lights, climate, and shades. The bathroom? It feels like a five-star hotel, complete with a walk-in shower, modern sink, and even a washer-dryer combo. Technology is everywhere in this motorhome. A touchscreen system controls everything, from temperature and power levels to water and battery status. You also get 5G Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, solar panels, and satellite TV, perfect for staying connected off the grid. On the safety side, it features lane assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Driving something this big has never been safer or easier. The 2025 Kenworth Motorhome is made for people who want to travel in style without leaving luxury behind. Whether you're exploring the USA, Canada, Europe, or beyond, this is your home, wherever the road takes you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to New Car for more amazing vehicles like this. Comment below, would you take a road trip in this luxury beast? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.